Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name's Chris Plant, and today in our follow-on video in the Building Websites with Ideal Structure and Content for Maximum SEO Results, I'm going to show you how with tools like URLs Labs, you can create keywords from valuable queries, then measure them against competitors to improve SEO ranking while creating valuable content for your users. So today we're going to look at the following. Number 1, find the right query using the SERP Monitoring Queries module. Number 2, creation of keywords for a new article. Number 3, preparation of structure for the article. But first of all, let's have a look at what is gap analysis. Constant search for new opportunities to create relevant content is one of the basic non-technical processes that both new and existing websites must constantly go through. The result of a gap analysis is either an improvement on an existing article or the creation of a new one. And today I will focus on using the URLs WordPress plugin and create a new article. How to find the best opportunity, primarily using a query and keywords which are defined by our competitors. Where to find related keywords and why it's important to know what they are. How to create an AI draft proposal for the structure of the article, and to define the goals of that article. So today's assignment is to create a new article and description for a page on the liveagent.com website. The average traffic is 500,000 unique visitors, and according to Ahrefs, currently ranks at almost 200,000 words with approximately 3,500 URLs. Customer service is an extremely competitive environment, and LiveAgent has more than 70 active competitors. And the goal today is to create a new article on a keyword that is directly related to this niche, which has an interesting volume and a great potential to bring in new clients. So number 1, find the right query using the SERP Monitoring Queries module. In the SERP Monitoring module and the Queries item, it brings together related terms for the website from the connected Google Search Console. Filter settings for the country are US, and the number of competitors who rank at least 8 per given keyword in the top 10, and this will avoid irrelevant content. According to volume, I'll choose a keyword query, customer service goals. I'm using a list of related queries. These are keywords that occur on competing sites in the top SERP positions. Along with my primary keyword, I'll define the expected search for Google and my target audience. In this case, here is the list and descriptions of the goals and expectations that are placed on the members management and entire teams of the customer service department. The goals must be SMART, i.e. clearly defined, in order to measure the performance and quality of the customer service department. And in the ranked URL list, my URL filter, I can check the listed URLs. And depending on how much this page meets my search intent, I'll decide whether it's worth redesigning this link or whether I'll just create a new one. This URL talks about client satisfaction, so it discusses a different topic. 2. Creation of keywords for the new article. A keyword cluster, or a list of words that are directly related to the primary keyword for Google and other search engines, indirectly define what search intent you're following with your article. It's actually common for LiveAgent to rank on keywords that do not have any content at all. And the reason for that is, in the eyes of Google, they are still relevant to the article and the user gets the answer that he's looking for. However, the goal today is to have as many of these keywords as possible directly in the article, including long tails, in a position that will be natural to the reader. So together, the internal links to these words, I'm showing the search engines how important they are to our website. I can find detailed keyword clusters either by clicking on the Content Gap button, in line with a specific query or queries, or by manually filling in the Content Gap section. The URL automatically populates the top positions with the SERP's search engine ranking positions, and I can also clean these up by deleting irrelevant URLs from my search intent. The result is a keyword map with frequency and positions directly from the SERP. This heat map can tell me certain information that will help me. For instance, the green lines tell me about the words that most of the competition is already ranking on. Thus, there is a high chance that these will be important words, both in terms of content of the article and importance for the reader. So I definitely want them to be in my content, all the more so if the frequency of occurrence is low. By actually using these queries, I can actually skip the search competition. These green lines with rank and frequency usually indicate that is a primary or secondary keyword. These words should definitely be in my H tags. I'm going to ignore the red lines with 1 to 2 ranks. Most of them are unrelated content, hence the color. The black rows with rank or occurrence are multiple competitors, and I can judge these by queries one by one. These are words where the competition in most cases did not attach weight, or another URL is ranked on it. And I can check this with the checkbox above the table if you look at the hashtags. If the competition does not rank on these words with a different URL, it's got a potential for gaining a competitive advantage. And therefore, I subsequently give weight to these words according to the potential volume and compatibility with the intention of the article. In this case, the examples are definitely a topic that can benefit the article and give value to the user who is looking for relevant customer service department goals. I use keywords in the importance question format as H tags or as content for FAQs, frequently asked questions. 3. Preparation of the structured article. By importance, I've divided queries into words that I want in H tags, and those will be in the content. For instance, H1, customer service goals and objectives to focus on in 2024. H2, why you need a customer service goals, how to set goals to improve your customer service, the most important customer service team goals and objectives, and improving the customer satisfaction, etc., etc. H2 could be examples of customer service manager goals. H3 again, increased quality of customer service responses, and on and on. H2 again, how to set SMART goals for customer service, and then I've identified my H1, 2, 3, and 4 topics. Here I can identify all my H tags. Then for each of the blocks, I create instructions of the type. For instance, H3, improve customer satisfaction, explain the importance of improving customer satisfaction and how it can lead to customer loyalty. Then describe the use of customer surveys to gather feedback to measure satisfaction. Use examples from experts to emphasize the significance of setting customer satisfaction goals and objectives. And then keywords to include improve customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, customer surveys, measure satisfaction, and customer satisfaction goals. And this will all ensure that important words get into the final content. This content's now going to satisfy the potential client. It's practical, know-how, and it can give real value. And also, the proposed structure will likely be top of the search engines too, and that's my goal. Therefore, now we can send the draft to our customer service team with a request to add an actual experience. And this is how we use URLs Labs and tools like it to create keywords from queries and measure them against our competitors to improve SEO ranking while also creating valuable content for users. Well, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching the video, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe our channel for more AI-related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.